Hi, I will guide you to do partial correlation analysis with the Pearson method. This menu aims to analyze the correlation of two quantitative variables where both variables are controlled by at least one other quantitative variable using parametric methods. The first step is to select one of the data forms to be used in the data import menu. For example, here I used to upload data with an Iris CSV file. You can get this Iris CSV data by clicking Download Iris CSV. If you want to use other data, please select the CSV file by clicking Browse. After selecting the data to be analyzed, the next step is to click the correlation menu and then select the partial and semi-partial submenu. A display like this will appear. Select partial in the select correlation section. Then select the Pearson method in the select method section. Then select a quantitative variable in the select numeric variable 1 section and in the select numeric variable 2 section. For example, the variable used are sepal length in select numeric variable 1 and sepal width in select numeric variable 2. Then select at least one quantitative variable as a control variable for both variable 1 and variable 2. An example of the control variable, I choose the petal length and petal width variables. The data on the selected variable can be viewed by clicking the Show Data button. Then a screen like this will appear. Please close, then click Run. Wait until the data is successfully processed. After the process is complete, the results will appear like this. Namely, the result display in the form of summaries, assumption, and plots. In the assumption section, the multivariate normality method can be selected by clicking the gear icon on the top right of the multivariate normality text box. A sidebar box will appear. For example, I select the Royston method in the Select Multivariate method. Then click Run again. Then, the multivariate normality test method changes to Royston's method. Meanwhile, the univariate normality method can be selected by clicking the gear icon on the top right of the univariate normality test box. A sidebar box will appear. For example, I select the Shapiro-Wilks method in the Select Univariate method. Then click Run again. Then the univariate normality test method changes to the Shapiro-Wilk method. Then, to choose the type of graph for each variable and outlier detection method, it can be done by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner of the Plots Assumption box. A sidebar box will appear. Please select the chart type or chart method to be used. For example, I choose box plot in the select univariate plot section and adjusted quantile method in the outlier method section. After that, click Run. Then the graph changes to something like this. To save the result of the data processing, please click Save. Then select the document format, HTML or Word. Then click Download. Then the file will be downloaded. After that, please click Close. To save the plot, please place your cursor over the graph, then the right click and select Save Image. After that, click Save. Then the plot will be downloaded. Okay, that's the steps using partial correlation analysis with the Pearson method.